Alright, my bad. My camera's just being a little douche. So, now we go to the third rule, which is to factor out the y primes. And we get y prime, parentheses, 3x cubed, y squared, minus 1, equal to this. So now we divide by this thing on both sides. And we get, wait, let me erase it all. And we get this. So after dividing it, you get y prime is equal to 1 minus 3x, no, 3x, my bad. 1 minus 3y cubed x squared all over 3x cubed y squared minus 1. That is your answer. Little challenging, huh? Okay, I hope that second problem wasn't I hope it wasn't that much trouble for you guys to solve. Well, we're gonna step it up a level, step it up a notch, and add in some trig. Yeah, we all love trig. So here's the problem. Y equals sine xy. There we go. So that's the problem. So I'm pretty sure you guys remember how to derive trig function, so I'll give you a few seconds to do it and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so let's derive this, shall we? The derivative of y is, as I said, like in the last couple problems, y prime. Or I forgot to mention this. If you guys are more comfortable saying like the original notation, you can do that. I just find y prime more easier to understand. So you guys can use this notation if you want. It doesn't matter to me. Oh, it doesn't matter because you'll end up with the same answer. So let's go back to the problem. So what the derivative of y? The derivative of y is y prime. The derivative of sine is I hope you guys got this. Is cosine xy. But this is a chain rule because we have the gut inside, alright? So we also have to derive what's inside. So we got the cosine times, and also I don't know if you guys can see that, it's a chain rule which you have to use product rule to derive it. Alright, so let's just do that, alright? So this is a product rule, so we're gonna go with x y prime plus y. So this is what we'll get. All right. So if we simplify all this, we will get cosine. Wait, let's x y prime cosine xy plus y cosine xy. Alright, so we just did in our DOF's formula, we have just done D, which is to derive. Now we're going to organize all this. So we need all the y primes like this to the left side of the equal sign. So let's do that, shall we? So we'll have y prime equals, oh my god, my bad, y prime minus xy prime cosine xy is equal to y cosine xy. I just subtracted it to both sides so we could get all the y primes. Now we go to the f, which is to factor. So we factor out the y prime. If we do that, we get y prime parentheses 1 minus x cosine xy. Yeah, that's right. Which is equal to y cosine xy. Alright, now we go to the last letter, which is s. So we just solve it out. So how do we how do we get rid of this guy right here? Oh, my bad. How do we get rid of this guy? We divide it on both sides. So, oops. So let me just erase this so we could get more space. So after you have divided, after you have divided 1 minus x cosine xy, you will get y prime is equal to y cosine xy all over 1 minus x cosine xy. If you guys have done it in original notation, you would have gotten the original notation is equal to y cosine xy all over 1 minus x cos x to the y. So either way, whatever notation you use, you get the same answer. So sweet. I hope that problem wasn't that hard. Well, it kind of was, but alright. Let me just erase. No. Let me just erase this. Alright. So that's all the problems I have, like, to teach you guys on implicit differentiation. Look at me. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. So please leave some comments below, and if you guys want another tutorial, just again leave comments below and tell me to do another tutorial. So thanks for watching. Hope do good in calculus, study, yeah.